Hello my wonderful viewers out there. Here I have another beautiful tutorial for you guys today, and these are the materials we're going to be using to design our beautiful bracelet. This is our hook, we won't be using at the back, and I have my adjustable chain at the for the back also. And we're going to be designing a pearl bracelet with a blue crystal seed bead. We have a white pearl and blue crystal seed bead, and this is our fetching cord, which we also call our beading wire also, or beading cord. So this beading cord, I'm going to be passing it through our hook, double pass the beading cord into the little hole, then I bring out the cord from both sides and I stretch it. Just watch the way I'm doing it. I give it a very good stretch and a very good knot at the end there. So you see it, our hook has been fixed. So now we start to fix in our bead. So first I'm fixing in 2 pearl bead. So now I'll be fixing the same pearl bead on each cord because it's double. So I'll be placing the beads on each cord. So the number of the beads I'll be putting in each of the cord are 4 at both ends. So you can see it, you see it laps. We have 4 here and we have 4 at the other side. Now I'll be fixing in our crystal blue bead, and you see how beautiful it looks. Then I fix in a little ball and I cross both our cord inside the little ball to make it more beautiful, to stay in the middle. So now you see how it looks. Now the blue is in there, and I'm repeating the same way, the same system again, 4 on both sides. And after I have filled in the 4 pearl bead on both sides, I take one blue at one side and I take another blue at the other side. Then before I take it down, I take the little white pear seed also, so you can see how it is. Now taking the blue white seed also and to put in the middle, and this blue seed is taken from both ends. The wire pass through in the pear bead and it goes through the both end, and you see how it looks. You see how it looks. It looks so beautiful. We haven't even gone to the middle, but it's so beautiful. So I'll be taking it down. Same way, same step, same way, same step. So I made a style there. Instead of putting only 2 beautiful crystal bead, I added 4. So it's the blue can be seen more, and that gives it more beauty. So after I have doubled my crystal blue bead, so I still repeat the same way, filling in the beads 4 at both ends, then cross it in the middle with one paired bead before I add the blue one. So as you are watching, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment and share our video. Also, you don't know who you'll be helping with our tutorial, and God bless you as you do so. And now I'm fixing in my adjustable chain. So just look closer and you see how I got to fix the hook first, and now I'm fixing in the chain. So with our plier, I'm going to give it a very tight clapping, you know. So I'm going to be holding it together with the plier so that it won't fall off.